Hey y'all, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex. Here's a piece of advice I would have gave myself if I had to start this whole process all over again from scratch. I would have told myself to trade a whole lot less than I did. And I'm going to tell you why. What I found out, and actually one of my mentors said this, but I didn't get it at the time. What happens is you can trade a lot of setups, but some of the best quality setups are only going to happen a few times a week. And so what happens is you have to be very patient and wait for quality setups to happen. Too often, too many traders are coming to the market and they're trading 10 and 20 times in a day. But if you ever look at professional traders, you'll see they never even trade that often in a week. Do you understand what I'm saying? Unless they're professional scalpers and they know what they're doing, which there in this industry, to be honest, which is very few people who are good at that. You understand what I'm saying? I'm just being honest. But finding good quality setups, especially when you're just starting out, I would really suggest to you just trade a whole lot less than what you're doing and be patient and wait for what you're looking for. One of the other problems is that sometimes the reason why you're jumping so quick is because you really don't have any trading rules. And so you're just jumping at the first thing that looks good. Maybe you bought some indicators. Maybe you bought our indicators and you didn't even read the rules on the ones that we gave. Because every signal that pops up in the tutorial program, I tell you straight up, I don't take every one of them. Doesn't mean they don't produce some pips, but it's not quality sometimes in the way that I'm looking for. So if it doesn't fit what I'm looking for, I just wait for the next one. See, when you build a criteria of rules, then when those trades come into play that fit the rules, then you take the trade. If it doesn't fit the rules, you pass on. And sometimes you're going to pass up on some good ones, but that's okay. What happens is you're going to find that you're going to have a much more successful trading career because you're taking your time to take the quality setups. And you're going to miss some opportunities. And you may lose a trade here or there. But, it's okay. But overall, you're going to be able to look yourself in the eye and be proud of your results because of your patience. Let me give you a better example in a way that you guys can really get it. You can go to a club, and it can be a room full of beautiful women or handsome men. But think about it. Is everyone in that room a good fit for you? And you say, oh, well, of course not. But that's my point. If you understand it in the relationship arena, why don't you understand it in the Forex arena? Everything that pops up and comes across your radar doesn't mean it's quality for you. It doesn't fit. So if it doesn't fit, you must have quit. No, I'm just playing. Y'all remember that O.J. Simpson? That's all right. But the point is, it's just, I'm learning. If it was me going back, I would have taken probably maybe 3 trades a week, maybe 4. And if I would have lost one trade, maybe a 5th. But typically about 3 or 4 good trades would have been good enough. You understand what I'm saying? So for an example, let's just say, and I'm just throwing out some, let's just say you took 3 trades or 4 trades, okay? 1 trade loss, and you had a stop loss of 25 pips, right? Or 30 pips. Let's say a 30 pip stop loss. But your other 3 trades won. So that means you lost 1 trade of 30 pips, and the other 3 actually won. All right? So that means take 1 from the 3. Okay, that leaves you with what? 60 pips? Wait, let me see. 30, 60, 90, minus 1. Yeah, that leaves you with 60 pips for the week. That's with 1 trade canceling out the other, and then the other 2 won. So either way it goes, you walked away with 60 pips. Okay? So I'm just throwing out an example that at the end of the day, what you're looking for, watch what I'm saying, you're looking for high quality setups. Don't just go for everything that comes past your way. As I teach in the classes to my students, I learned this from Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett said that he doesn't swing at every pitch. And what he meant by that is every stock that is presented to him to say, hey, let's go ahead and do business. He said, I don't take every deal. And he said, I missed up on some good ones like, Google and a couple of others, but he's still a billionaire. So you just need to learn to be patient. Some of you guys are just too impatient. You have 0 patience. You're so busy trying to collect pips and show off until you're not learning to be a professional trader. If you check with any other professional trader, it don't have to be me. Check with any other professional trader, you'll find out they're going to say the exact same thing. You ask them how many trades they take a week. Guaranteed they're not going to be taking as many as you taking, 20, 30, and 40 trades in a week. They don't do it. So just trade less and you'll find the quality setups. And when you find those quality setups, they're going to present you with much more greater opportunities than those others who are just out there running around like a chicken with their head cut off. They make $10 and then they give back 20. Then they make back 20 and then they give away 40. And they're just always all over the place. You don't want that to be you. So take your time. Take this week, and especially this week, and I'm going to tell you why this is important. Let me leave you with this. This week is really, really important for you to hear what I'm saying, because on Tuesday, and this is how you'll know the date of this video, Joe Biden and President Trump, the election is decided on Tuesday, November 3rd. Today is Halloween. So while you're watching this video, which will be posted probably later on tonight or tomorrow, that means you have time to think over what I'm telling you. This week is one of the best weeks for you to test out what I'm saying, because up until the election, the markets will probably be a little bit slow or jumpy or whatever the case may be, because nobody knows what the outcome is going to be. And because the President Trump has a completely different way of doing things than Biden would do, this is one of the biggest elections in history. Okay? So this will be one of those times where you can say, for once, you know what, I'm going to do exactly what Uncle P says. He says to trade less. I'm going to chill. If I don't see quality setup, then I'm not going for it. You understand what I'm saying? Because this week, I know, could be a little rocky anyway. So this will be a great chance for me to actually observe the markets and see if what he's saying is true. Do you hear what I'm saying? Now, again, I'm just Uncle P, you know, do what you want to do. It's your account. But I'm just simply saying, patience pays the bills. I tell my group all the time, patience pays the bills. Just be patient. Wait, okay? Wait for good quality setups. Don't jump at every little thing. Be patient. Let the market settle. Let the market come to you. Some of you guys, you heard this before. Okay? All right. Talk to you soon.